What's so cool about manufacturing? We went to Buck Company in southern Lancaster County to see what job opportunities are available in our own community. We met several experienced employees to find out what they do.
Buck Company provides castings for multiple industries, from railroad to marine hardware, agriculture. We employ about 370 people. We're very proud of that. We have a lot of job opportunities at Buck. You can pour iron, you can grind metal, you can drive forklift. There's a little bit for everybody here.
For example, you need great people to make sand molds, pour iron, and grind castings.
My job is to make sand molds so that we can pour metal into the molds and produce castings. It's almost like a jello mold. You got a top and the bottom, and then you fill the inside with the jello, and then you cool it and it sets, and then take it apart.
My job is to take iron from the bull ladle operator, and in turn, I pour the sand molds that are directly behind me to make the product.
We take burr guns and we go all around here, and we take finger sanders in here and go through here and everything and shine it up, make it look nice, and then goes to the cleaning machine.
As you can see, a career at Buck Company can be personally rewarding.
I would describe my job to be enjoyable because what I do affects millions of people around the world.
I like the atmosphere in there. Be challenged and do other jobs like that too.
So everywhere you go, there's a casting, and they say you're never more than 6 feet away from something that is cast in a foundry. Buck Company contributes to that. We also are one of the greatest recyclers. You know, everything that we melt down comes from scrap, old hubcaps and scrap iron and things like that.
If you could see yourself working here, visit buckcompany.com.